We got 2 babies.
The 3.
There's 3 babies in here? Yep, 3. Look, friends, we've got 3 out of 5 babies already born.
They're so cute.
They are adorable.
And there are 2 more eggs left to hatch.
Yep. All right, let's cover it back up and hang it up.
Are there babies? All of them hatched. But one, I would say.
Morning, friends. I am on my way to bingo. Today is Mrs. Roper bingo, the bingo I've been telling you about. I am so excited. So we are all dressing up, or most of us will be dressing up as Mrs. Roper, and I will be sure and take as much video as I can so I can just share with you this fun experience I'm going to have today. So wish me luck, and I will see you at bingo. Come forward a little bit. There you go.
There's an old man. I think he owns it.
You're here to win bingo, so let me know. The next thing is, we do play last number called. Last number called is if B won, you would have had bingo.
Bingo is always fun, whether you dress up or dress down. Not everybody dressed up as Mrs. Roper, but there was a good amount of people that did dress up as Mrs. Roper, and we had a good time. Well, guys, we are done. Bingo is over. We did not win, but you know what? That's okay because we had a good time. But I must say it is hot. It is 95 degrees out. And this muumuu I'm wearing is making me burn up. But I tell you what, these glasses are coming off. This wig is coming off. Whoo-wee, I tell you what, it is hot, but we still had a good time. It was supposed to have been an outside company in there, and they were going to have like different games and stuff like they did last year, from what I hear. So I don't know what happened, but we still had, oh, I got to get out of this wig. Phew. All right, go home, get some dinner, and well, it's 2:43, so I guess I'll have some late lunch. And then I got stuff I got to get taken care of outside, so maybe I'll take you with me. Maybe I'll just show you before and after. Who knows? All right, guys, I will see you soon. Okay, guys, so this is what I got done today after bingo. Got all this landscaping fabric down. Eventually, I think I'll put mulch there, only because it's less expensive. But I won't be doing that for a while. And maybe I'll plant some flowers there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I took off the dead fern leaves and I put on my timu leaves for my palms. So what do you think? I know it definitely doesn't look real, at least not close up. From far back, it kind of looks, oh well, it'll do either way. I do want to take you over here and give you a quick peek at my beans. They've sprouted. So let's take a look at them. I'm so excited. Look at the beans. And one lone one over there. I have some watermelon that has sprouted. And all those cantaloupe. I'm going to have to definitely thin them out, but yeah, so that's what else has sprouted. And corn. The corn I planted from seed is coming up. Looky here, I'm not the only nut that dresses up their skeletons. We got some graduation skeletons. I wonder if they're friends of Ginger and George. Okay guys, this is what the pool deck looks like right now. I am taking some pictures and going to send them to Chat GBC or GBT or whatever it is, and see if it can come up with some ideas to sort of make this look a little bit more beachy cozy, I guess you would say. The water looks good. I'm trying to get everything in the middle there that was in there during the winter, so I can get in there with the vacuum and get that out. Just got to add a little bit of chlorine, and the water is chilly. I'm not sure what the hello guys. Yeah, I'm not sure what the temperature is. I just know it's cold. Did you hear that? You know who that is, don't you? It's my buddy Tom out there in one of his cars. All right, guys. I will put up pictures of ChatBGT or that chat thing and let you know what it says that I should do. I'd like to get some plants up here, but I'm just not sure what type of plants. All right, guys. See you soon. So I went to Walmart today and once again walked past these adorable little coasters. They were all mixed up, so I had to take about 15-20 minutes to put them all in order. Okay, friends, so I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video here and say my goodbyes. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a thumbs up and write me a comment. Love to chat with you. To my nieces, nephews, and grandkids. I get to see you this weekend and I am so excited. We're going to have fun. So all you friends up north, stay warm. Down south, stay cool. And everyone, stay safe and stay blessed. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.